And welcome to my raw true life story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. My lovely fans, there is fire on the mountain. There is fire on the mountain. Juju Ekwensu came out to do live yesterday. That live don't trigger the trigger. Hey, when we thought we've seen it all, when we thought we've heard it all, my people, we've not even seen anything. Juju Ekwensu granted that life yesterday. Juju Ekwensu did that life yesterday when all of us watched. What we saw is a bitter woman, a woman trying to narrate a story in form of advising other women. Because we all know that what Juju Ekwensu was saying in that video is exactly who she is and what she did. That was what we saw. But what we did not know is that waiting they happen there in big passos. They say elders, they don't come out. Can't drag Papa Juju Ekwensu. They don't come drag Papa Juju Ekwensu say. Now so they go leave madman say, make we dey look am before you know it go enter market. And once madman enter market, they know they fit cure again. No be so our tradition talk. Say don't ever allow a mad person to step their feet into the market. The day they step their feet into the market, the madness become uncurable. The elder said, now so they go look Juju Ekwensu. One day Juju Ekwensu go enter market. They don't pack, go meet Papa Juju Ekwensu for us. Enough is enough. Not every member of Juju Ekwensu family are in support of this their evil deeds. My lovely fans, things they happen. The elders went to Papa Juju Ekwensu. Said this is the right time for them to do the needful. Because Juju Ekwensu now, it don't become disgrace. Imagine going to social media saying women cheat when the cheating is on our family. My people, hey, make una carry Joko carry chair. Make una come see the reason why Mama Juju Ekwensu tell that girl we call and say, Unyala. You know, say even before the girl talk, now Mama Juju Ekwensu fair calls the girl. He say Unyala. Now the girl call her in a shower. Make una carry share. Make una come here. Hey! They say remove the dirty way dey your eyes first before you go remove people own. Now this Juju Ekwensu story, now una for go hear am. According to the elders, they say Juju Ekwensu mother was once married though. She was once married. Then Juju Ekwensu papa was married to Mama Juju Ekwensu best friend. The man wey Mama Juju Ekwensu married was not from Umoji. Juju Ekwensu mother will come to Umoji to visit this her friend. That is how they all know her. They were so close. So close. Even when that her friend is sick, Mama Juju Ekwensu still dey come. Not knowing that she was the one that threw that sickness on that woman. So, while Juju Ekwensu mother was married to her own husband, she have one child for that man. The pikin small, she just newborn the baby. They say the baby was 6 months. When Mama Juju Ekwensu born that baby, the baby was 6 months. When Mama Juju Ekwensu enter Papa Juju Ekwensu house, meanwhile her friend was seriously ill. They can't think say she came to cater for her friend, not knowing that she came to marry. As she enter house, you know, and they buy that woman. Buy the woman, that is, and they buy the woman. That is Mama Juju Ekwensu friend. Before you know wetin dey happen, Mama Juju Ekwensu don enter house, begin to treat those children bad. Before you know wetin dey happen, one of the woman pikin don kpai. Now the woman family, they can't go waka. They come see say, they tell them say make they carry the rest children run. Mama Juju Ekwensu go chop all of them. Say na snake she be, she dey swallow them. The children go school. From school, now the woman family go pack their sister children. They go school, they not come once again. Now family come they ask of the children. If you ask Papa Juju Ekwensu, say, where is your children? He go they say, the children. He go they ask, they say, which children? They say that was how they carried those children run from Mama Juju Ekwensu. Now so Mama Juju Ekwensu can't enter husband house. Meanwhile, her own husband, when she born pikin of 6 months for, they no know say he already run leave that one. He can't carry the pikin wey born for that man. The child was 6 months. Took that child to one of her auntie wey no fit born. That the auntie no fit born. So he can't carry that pikin go give their auntie. Go give her auntie. Say make the auntie carry the pikin. He no get wetin they use am do. Now the auntie say, why? He say the papa no be the papa get the pikin. So before the secrets go exposed, make the auntie carry pikin. And so the auntie take carry pikin. After all, the woman they find pikin, no see pikin born. Say this one go deal with and they go message for her. And so that woman got to carry that pikin. The husband wey Mama Juju Ekwensu marry, that one come they go their family house. Go they drag them, they fight for a pikin. Hey, make una see pattern for family. The husband, the real husband of Mama Juju Ekwensu, that one go they go different family. They go the Juju Ekwensu family, go they drag for a pikin. As they drag, now they tell am say the pikin don't buy. They go dig grave, they say see grave where they bury and put. After months so, now they tell am say pikin don't buy. They don't know as they want to tell them. Meanwhile, that child is alive. The reason the Mama Juju Ekwensu they hide the pikin, because nobody man true get pikin. Now another person give her belle. And she was married, they married her properly. Hey, patterns in family. So the family are asking, what kind of disgrace Juju Ekwensu go they disgrace herself? Talking about women cheating, women not in the husbands, women not this. Do you even know who your mother is? And do you even remember that your sister almost destroyed somebody's marriage? When the woman give her hand, now this village here now all of them they run, eta and scatter to save her. The woman throw one baddest sickness give her. Now village here, now they run up and down. Until they went to beg that woman. You don't forget. Hey. Now they tell Juju Ekwensu, and you where you they talk. Are you not still the husband snatcher? Are you not still a husband snatcher? Are you not still a cheater? Cheatest. Are you not a cheater? Did you not cheat on Chike? Did you not cheat on Mr. Bassi? And did you not also cheat on Yo? Then now the family members tell Juju Ekwensu Papa say they should go and do the needful. Time is running out. Say Juju Ekwensu, the thing where they carry Juju Ekwensu, they sit down from front of camera. When the be say, she know they even they think say, oh, this thing when I want talk so, now waiting I still do. They say no be a clear eyes. No be Juju Ekwensu clear eyes, they sit down on camera. They say the spirit of the ancestors are after her. They are the one chasing her. They are the one making her to do things when it don't make sense. How will you sit down in public telling people what you did as an advice? That will not be because the family said, this is the ancestors that are after Juju Ekwensu. The abomination she committed, her cup don't full. They tell Papa Juju Ekwensu say, they need to do the needful. If anything happen to Juju Ekwensu, they will ban all of them. If anything happen to Juju Ekwensu, they will chase all of them out of the village. All of them. Yes. Because that abomination for it to buy Juju Ekwensu, now be say the ancestors will come for everyone around her. And that is what they will not accept. So according to them, actions need to be taken. They say that abomination wey Juju Ekwensu commit, na the warrior. They say na abomination wey she do, na the spirit of the ancestors na dey push am. The elders told Papa Juju Ekwensu. The elders tell Papa Juju Ekwensu say if they not do the needful, if they not do am, they go pursue all of them comot for village. Because Juju Ekwensu, what they saw yesterday is the spirit of the ancestors playing drum for her to dance. They saw the spirit of the ancestors with drums around Juju Ekwensu. They don't they play drum for her. When a woman commits abomination na stage by stage, stage by stage, stage by stage, that it they come. The reason why many women they talk say nothing they happen. If you know they attack the women, they attack children. If they attack husband, you see those three people, now they affect, especially senior daughter and senior son. Madam, pity for your children. Now, stage by stage, the stage where they start playing drum, they are not calling the person. Now, according to the elders of Juju Ekwensu, they say they saw the spirit of the ancestors surrounding her, playing drum for her to dance. That dance, where they say make the dance, it comes in different forms. You see that they are talking to people where you know they see. You see that some will be dancing. You see some they dance, they go say na juju. After they say, oh, they're not going to do the juju na ekpanya. No be juju, na ancestors. When it come to that stage where they are playing drum, the person cup them full. That is what they saw. That the ancestors are the one pushing her into doing things where even she herself, after she go grant that interview, she go come dey ask herself, say, who send her go talk for them? But that time is already too late. According to Juju Ekwensu family members, they say make Juju Ekwensu papa, may they go do anything where they want to do. They don't know what they want to do, but they should do it fast. Because this woman is going. This woman is going. Open her mouth, they talk. Those things she was saying, she was pushed there by forces that she don't know. Imagine disgracing your mother, disgracing your sister, disgracing yourself on a live, on social media. How can she even be advising people? No, no, they think her. With what Juju Ekwensu did, she's supposed to hide her head. But the spirit of the ancestors are pushing her to disgrace and expose herself. Now, so she'll come out one day on camera. She go to confess. She go explain everything to her. So, according to the information, it is not only that of Juju Ekwensu. Now, Juju Ekwensu now here. Because they come on camera. They say yo is worst. Abomination don't shop all these people finish. The reason why people are avoiding yo, the reason why a lot of people don't want to do anything, the reason why people don't want to do anything with yo, now that abomination, people will get eye that they see her. They say yo is even worst. They say for moving location sometimes, now so yo they talk to himself. You go they follow waiting, then they know they see they argue. Waiting they don't even know. You go they follow they argue. If you don't do that one, sometimes you go draw the verse. You go draw the verse. They say sometimes now so you go they dance. You they play music for you. They say they're not there yet. So people that are close to you, they say the same thing where they worry Juju Ekwensu. If they worry you. The same thing. A lot of people in the industry, they know. Say you is not that okay. But what they don't know is that the abomination where you commit, now they worry. They say these two people don't kolome too so. They say these two people don't kolome too so. If you see what you and Juju Ekwensu are doing behind closed door, you will know the reason why they say a woman and a man should never cheat. And the same cause that lying on you that lie on Juju Ekwensu. Juju Ekwensu go dey back for her for you body. But at this point, it not work again. Hey, my lovely fans, wonder shall never end. When we thought we senator, they say na abomination they worry them. The things when you see that they talk, all the gbogboni when you see that they talk. My people, hey, they say na abomination. Juju Ekwensu was not talking from my right senses. Juju Ekwensu supposed to be the last person to be there, but she cannot control that which is in her. They even yo the same thing. Wonder shall never end, my people. They say they do already they play drum for them. If anything happened to Juju Ekwensu, the whole of Juju Ekwensu family, they go pursue them. Because then they are already food for the gods. They are already costs. My people, wonder shall never end. And we all were just watching. We not see this one. No. They don't come. Even the part of you, that shock us. It is also confirmed that the same thing applies to you. A lot of Nollywood actors and actresses that are close to you, they know these things. They say they know. Say there was one time, say for inside movie location, you run enter bush. You run enter bush. They go catch and come outside. He just run enter bush. Now so if you run, if you lost. When somebody commits abomination, it comes in different ways. Juju Ekwensu is not clean. You is not clean. It is both of them. Abomination has finally visited them. They say if you see them sometimes, you go shake your head. You go shake your head. They say Juju Ekwensu and you, they be like cursed people. Just that they try to cover their inner parts. They say two of them be like cursed people. If you see the way they do things, the way they do, you will know that they are cursed. You will know. They say if you see you for movie location, the way they behave, you know that this man is cursed. Hey, wonder shall never end, my people. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.